voice reach out in the night. Me not rest, my soul I wrestle with the past. Me cry out to the Most High, my voice rise strong. Even when me weak, me pray along. Me hands stretch out and can't put down. My soul refuse for comfort now. Me remember you, and my spirit shake. Me meditate and me can't stay away. Me trouble, me tongue hold backward. Me heart full up, now fly like bird. You hold me eyes from closing sleep. Me too troubled for talk, my thoughts run deep. Me think on the days from long ago, the years when my spirit still glow. Me call the song from deep within. Me heart a search where my God has been. Him gone forever, Him mercy done. Him word stop stand, Him promise run. My voice crying at the night, my tears fall slow. Where the light gone, only darkness grow. But me hold the truth, me not let go. Even when me can't see, me still know. Him forget to be kind, Him shut the gate. Me said this my weakness, but me still wait. Me remember the works from long time back. Me meditate on the power and track. Me talk about the wonders you create. My mind on the sea, my soul elevate. Your way was in the deep, deep tide. No footsteps seen, but you still guide. You lead the people like flock with care. By Moses and Aaron prayer. Your voice like thunder, the earth did shake. You show power and the sky did break. My voice crying at the night, but me not fade. My soul stands strong even when I'm afraid. Though me can't feel you near no more. Me know you walk through unseen door. Silence loud, but me still believe. My voice non-stop, it reach beyond the breeze.